Here's all you'll need to make some absolutely delicious garlic chili prawns. Some prawns, of course. It's worth spending the extra bit of money to get the large juicy prawns. And you're going to need chili pepper, garlic, some butter, some chili flakes and some olive oil. First thing we're going to do is prepare your prawns. So cut off any legs or whiskers that you find. Then turn him over, and at the base of the head there, going there, you're going to cut that back, but don't take off the shell. You're just going to open it a bit so that you can see in here, and this is the thing that you want to take out. A big vein at the back there. You don't want to be eating that. No. It's a fiddly job, but you're going to do that for all your prawns. When you've got your prawns trimmed, it's time to give them a good rinse, get rid of any more little impurities with cold water. With your prawns lovely and clean and trimmed, it's time to put a good glug of your oil into a pan, heat that up, and then send me some butter. Then into there, some chili flakes, some of your chopped chili, and last but not least, your garlic. Get them all mixed in so they can infuse their flavours into that oil and butter. When they've had a minute, then it's in with the prawns. The reason we're putting them in with the shells on, one, people love to fiddle about with them when they're eating them, but two, more importantly, they'll add flavour into that oil and butter. So these are going to go 5, 6, 7 minutes until they're nice and pink and the flesh looks lovely. When they've had 5 minutes, a couple of optional extras that do add to the taste of them though that you can add. So that's your basic recipe, and then into there we're just going to go with a bit of lemon juice and some chopped parsley. Mix that in and just give that a minute to heat through. When they've had 5 or 6 minutes, they're looking something like that. Time to get them out onto a plate and then try and stop everyone rushing to eat them all. But either way, enjoy.